Katie Cox and my student number is 1915555. Just be aware there might be a parrot because we have a parrot in the house. Okay. My course today is Come into Space. The reason I chose this course is because learners love to learn about space and they might be very excited to learn what's out there in the outer space. The first slide you'll see is information on the course. As I said, the topic is space. This topic will be split up into 4 points: Earth, the 8 planets, telescopes, and satellites. This course is specifically for grade 3s. It could be found in the CAPS Life Skills document in Term 3 on page 59 underneath the content area, beginning knowledge and personal social well-being. This course can be taught in Term 3 or in Earth Week, which is in April. The duration is 4 days. It is recommended the first day start on a Friday because on a Friday you'll be used in the hall and the rest of the days you'll be using in the classrooms. Normally on a Monday the hall will be used for assembly and that, so it's very highly recommended to do it on a Friday. The outcomes for this lesson is knowledge about space, how to do a comprehension by themselves, how to do an activity by themselves, and how to do a research on a topic without any help. Okay. Day 1. As I said, day 1 will hopefully begin on a Friday. The teachers will make an exhibit in the classroom, in the hall. This will allow learners to come out the classroom and into a hall and see what they've done. The hall will be broken up into 4 sections. In one room, Earth, in another room, the planets, another room, telescope, another room, satellites. The learners can be split up into 4 groups. And it can rotate every hour, or if your school has 4 classrooms, then one classroom can be in satellite, one classroom can be in space, one classroom can be in planets, one classroom can be Earth, one classroom can be telescopes, and they rotate every 45 minutes. This day will take about 3 hours, so 45 minutes each. Let's see what's in each room. The first room is Earth, it's our planet, it's our home. There will be a model of the planet so the learners can see where each country is. There will be activities for the learners to do. They can either make a Play-Doh ball of the Earth, very specific, or they can find different countries on Earth and paste their names on it. They can read a book and they can look at all different space posters. The second room is space. As I said, there will be a model, books, activity, name the space, name the planets, and posters on space. The third room, telescopes, model, books, and posters. I never put an activity here because I would want the learners to use the telescopes and look for different things that I've hidden around the room. This will teach the learners how to use a telescope and if they can really see something. The last one is satellites. Model, some activities, trace the line, draw a satellite, some comprehension activities, and posters, and some books that are hopefully fun. That's the end of day 1, which will be 3 hours on a Friday. Next day will be on a Monday, day 2. Day 2 will be on Earth. In the beginning of your lesson, you will talk about the Earth and ask all learners to find a place they want to visit on Earth, like maybe a momentum or something that represents Earth, like maybe the Eiffel Tower or the Great Wall of China, one of those, something incredible on Earth that then is incredible. The next will be an English in the middle of the lesson. In the middle of the lesson will be an English comprehension on Earth. This will allow learners to read a paragraph on Earth and allow learners to figure out how to do the questions. The last time of the lesson, we plant a seed in a jar. This teaches learners how to grow a plant, and this can help learners' future, and let learners to do free recycled artwork. Free recycled artwork is asking your learners to bring recycled items from your home like bottles, caps, glasses, anything like that. Take it to school and then they can make something out of it. They can make an elephant, they can make a heart, they can make a mushroom, they can make anything they can think of out of the recycled. As I said, beginning of the lesson, talking about earth, middle of the lesson is the comprehension on earth, and then in a lesson, growing seeds and making recycled art. That's the end of day 2. Now it's time for day 3. Day 3 will be on planets. It will be on video on the planets and go through each planet so learners know which planet is which. At the middle of the lesson, allow the learner to choose a planet out of the 8. We have Mars, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Any one of those. They can choose which planet they like. Then give them a space book and ask them to find information about this planet. This will teach learners how to do scavenging and how to research. At the end of the lesson, once they finish their poster, give them paper mache and a balloon and ask them to create their planet. So they're going to take the poster, look at the colors, and then make the planet for themselves. So they can see how it really looks like. So they make the volcanoes and everything. This will give them hands-on experience with making a planet. Take it to last. This is what I was meaning about day 3. They will first talk about space, so the posters and everything. They, in the middle of the lesson, making posters for themselves. Here a child made Mars, another one made Mercury, another one made Saturn. So they can choose which planet they want. And they made a 3D module of the planets. As you can see, each one made a different one. The last day, day 4, is about telescopes and satellites. On this day, allow your learners to watch a video on satellites and how they make. Also show them a video of the International Space Station. They'll find that very interesting. In the middle of the lesson will be a comprehension on satellite and telescopes, as can be seen here. See, module to comprehension. The last thing is something cool. This might be difficult for the learners, which is why I think you can allow the learners to choose. Do they want to make a telescope model, or do they want to make a satellite model? If the telescope model might be easier for some learners, so if they finish, they can still do the satellite model. You can use plastic, paper, pencils, scissors, glue, bottle caps, anything to make this telescope. It's actually recycled art, but it's making something else. That will be the end of my course. This course will hopefully help your learners to know about space. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye!